Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss something different. We will discuss about IELTS Writing Task 2 argument. Now, in the Writing Task 2 is a formal discursive essay. Writing Task 2 is a discursive essay. That means you discuss your points, your opinions regarding it. Whether be it advantages, disadvantages, state your opinion, do you agree or disagree? These are all about discussions in which one presents a clear argument. In which one presents a clear argument. Argument is a key word here. Now, when people think about arguments, they think about loud people shouting at each other. But that is not the case in the IELTS Writing Task 2. No matter how controversial the topic is, you don't have to go on a writing rant. You have to present your argument clearly. What does argument mean? You have to state your opinion in a concise manner. It's like two very good lawyers presenting their point of view to the judge so that he can make his judgment whether X lawyer is right or Y lawyer is right. Okay? To explain your argument, you have to analyze the reasons. Whatever reasons you give to present your argument, you have to analyze it in your mind. In your mind, you have to analyze whether this makes sense. For example, if I say plastic should be banned and it should be eradicated as soon as possible, does the argument make sense? Can plastic be eradicated as soon as possible or in a whim? No. It will be done step by step. This eradication of plastic from the world will take maybe 10 years, 15 years, and for that, all the governments around the world will have to work together. Explain your reasons. Explain your reasons. Why do you think that plastic should be removed? Why not just recycle it? Or why not create new products out of it? Okay, so you have to present your reasons. Whatever reasons you have put forward, you have to present it. Okay, reinforce with examples. You have to reinforce with examples. Like you have to showcase from your knowledge, from whatever you have read. That's why reading is very important. Reading newspapers, journals, magazines is very, very important. So, because in IELTS, you get basic questions, basic topics about environment, information technology, artificial intelligence, or sports, you know, or education for that matter. So you have to read a lot to understand, to gain more knowledge. Okay, to reinforce, to give examples, no matter what the example is 100% right. Nobody's fact checking you in terms of numbers, but you also may have to make sure your example is kind of going in the right direction. Your sources, for example, if you can say according to the BBC, according to Times of India, if you pull out like according to tube light television, there is no TV such as tube light television. Okay, so you have to give proper examples. So this is a small video regarding IELTS Writing Task 2 and arguments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button